Okay, 6x equals 24. How do we solve this problem? Well, there's two steps in algebra. There's two humps to get over. That's why I have Mr. Camel over here on the right side showing us the two humps. There's two humps. The first one is the words. So this is called linear equations. The words really have no use whatsoever. You don't have to know them. You don't have to learn them. Really, they're just there so that you know what chapter of the book you're in, and you can correlate that to which videos you need for me to show you how to do it. But other than that, these big scary words like linear equations, I kind of make fun of them, and that's why I have the shark and the dinosaur here. This shark is the great word shark. Get it? Great word shark. And the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Get it? Tyrannosaurus Rex. They're just there to show you that you don't have to know these words, and they're just there to scare you. And the first hump, going down here to the camel, the first hump is to know that you're free to completely ignore these big, scary words. All you have to do is the second hump, which is work the problems. And that's what we have Fluffy Piggy here is for. Fluffy Piggy says, just do the problem. And that's all we're going to do. So here we go. I'm going to rewrite this problem. 6x equals 24. Stick with me here. This is easy. Don't freak out. 6x equals 24. So whenever you have a problem with x in there and just a bunch of other numbers, you want to get x by itself on one side of the equation. So right now we have a 6 over here with the x. So our goal now is to get rid of this 6. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to divide both sides by 6. You can do anything you want anytime to an equation as long as you do it to both sides of the equation. So you can add something, subtract something, multiply something, or divide by something as long as you do it to both sides of the equation. So in this case, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 6. I could do anything I want, right? So I chose this. And here's why. Because I know that when I divide 6 by 6 on the left side, that's going to simplify to just a 1. Because anything divided by itself is 1. So then I'm left with 1 times x equals whatever's on the right side. So it was 24 divided by 6, and that is 4. So 1x equals 4. And really, I don't need to have the 1 there. 1 times x is just the same as saying x, right? So 1 times x simplifies to x, and 4 just stays the same. So x equals 4. Yay! We solved the problem. That's all you have to do. That's why Fluffy Piggy's here, because Fluffy Piggy knows this is easy. We can do this. So that's our solution. Now, if you want to check and make sure we did it right, we can plug this 4 back into our original equation for x and see if the equation is true. That way we'll make sure it's the right answer. So I'm going to rewrite our original equation, 6x equals 24. And now I'm going to plug in, for x, I'm going to plug in this 4. So instead of 6 times x, it's going to be 6 times 4. Yay. Equals 24. Just bringing that one down, not changing anything. Now we know 6 times 4. We know our multiplication tables, right? Is this easy or what? 24. Yay. Equals, and on the right side, I'm just bringing this 24 down. 24 equals 24. So that checks out. That's true. And therefore, our solution of x equals 4 is correct. And so I'm going to give us an A+. Yay!
Thumbs up and subscribe. For more videos like this, check out algebravideos.com.